With a price tag of less than £24,000, the new Tesla Model Q tiny electric vehicle is set to return for 2025. Also, a new manufacturing procedure will be used to construct the Model Q, which cuts down on production time and costs, making it cheaper for consumers. This process saves time compared to the usual approach, where the automobile is partially assembled and then taken apart numerous times. Instead, each part is assembled in full, including paint, before being attached to the car at the end. The Cybertruck was the first vehicle to use wireless technology, which this vehicle may potentially employ as well. Wireless transmitters are strategically placed throughout the vehicle to control elements like the lighting, eliminating the need for miles of cable and reducing the vehicle's overall weight. As with the Model 3 and Y, which will have full self-driving capabilities starting next year, Elon Musk's statement that a car without autonomous features would be pointless implies that this vehicle will also have these capabilities. When you're not using it, you might be able to rent out your car, just as those cars and the Cybercab. The estimated price, with incentives, is less than $30,000, or about £30,000. About 300 miles, 480 kilometers, is the ballpark for the range. System, built on top of a pre-existing Tesla system. Conceptually, it will most likely be a small, contemporary automobile. Many anticipate the Model Q, a more reasonably priced electric vehicle, to be a major addition to Tesla's inventory. It will go up against other small electric vehicles, including the Hyundai Kona Electric and the Volkswagen ID.3. The Tesla Model Q has the makings of a game-changer in the affordable electric vehicle market, and we can't wait for its official debut. The Model Q has the potential to become a revolutionary electric vehicle, EV, due to its affordable price tag, impressive performance, and state-of-the-art technology.